Welcome back to Basic Coder. In this video, I will show you how to deploy your project on Vercel step by step. Whether you are working with React, Next.js or any static website, this tutorial will make your project live in just few minutes. Vercel is a free hosting platform that makes it super easy to deploy front-end projects like React, Next.js and even static website with just a few clicks. If you are new to development, don't worry, Vercel handles everything for you. First, go to vercel.com and sign up using GitHub, GitLab or bitbucket.com. Once you are logged in, you will see your Vercel dashboard like my opening page. Now search your repo. After searching, you are not visit any kind of repository. Click Adjust GitHub App Permission and configure your account. In the button side, you see there are two options. One is all repository. If you are selecting only selected repository, so select your repository that you want to deploy now and click save. If you are found your repository on Vercel, click import button. You can also change your project name. It automatically selected framework. In my cases, it selected Next.js. If your project Byte or React, automatically selected it. Now set your environment variable. Now click deploy button. There are some problem occur, so please after deploying run npm build. So I fix the error. Run npm run lint ---- fix. This command is basically showing ESLINT error or warning. I have received only 2 error. I quickly fix it. So now I have no ESLINT warning or errors. Now run npm run build. Our build status is okay. Our all route and all the code are working properly. Now perform commit and push your changes. So we say our git push is okay. Currently there are 6 commits in my repository. And now go to Vercel dashboard. Open the project were recently created and go to deployment section. Now we see our project is building status. It automatically start building when any git commit is performed. It takes some time. This is your domain name. You can see your app in this link. So my page is this. This is my page. And that's it. Your project is now live on Vercel in just a few minutes. If you found this video helpful, Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Basic Coder for more web development tutorials. Drop a questions in the comment and I will see you in the next video.